Swivel chairing from system to system or tracking information manually creates bottlenecks and impedes performance. Before long, you can't remember which system you entered what. Stop spinning in circles and view all of your job information all in one place. At Xcelerate, our goal is to return the power to the restoration contractor. You have the freedom to choose your partners. Stop struggling and start succeeding with the most advanced integrations on the market. Xcelerate is elated to partner with Company Cam, bringing powerful job management and photo documentation capabilities to restoration contractors everywhere. Together, Xcelerate and Company Cam empower you to streamline your workflow, improve communication, and enhance your documentation. Integration takes less than 5 minutes, and your photos and jobs will flow effortlessly between both systems. Xcelerate puts you in the driver's seat to grow your business. Talk to our team today and get a personalized glimpse of how we'll save your team hours, streamline your process, and ultimately grow your business. Expect more than software. Demand growthware.